Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Things Engineers. Today I am talking about the robotics. So, what is the robotics? Robotics is a multidisciplinary field that involves the designs, constructions, programming, and operation of robots. A robot is a machine or mechanical device that is capable of programming tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously with some levels of intelligence or decision-making capabilities. Robotics combines elements of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science and artificial intelligence to create machines that can perform a specific task. Robots comes in various forms and size. Industrial robots used in manufacturing process and to humanoid robots designed for human-like instructions. They can be equipped with sensors and control systems. The field of robotics involves mechanical design, electronics and control systems, programming and software development, sensing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So, how can we include a mechanical design? The mechanical design involves designing the physical structures and mechanism of robots, including joints, architectures, and mobility systems. Next, so how can we including electronics and control systems? Focused on designing and implementing electronic circuits, sensors, and control algorithms to enable robots to sense and respond to their environment. Next, programming and software development. So, how can we implement a programming and software development? Involves writing software code to control the behaviors and functionality of robots, including motion planning tasks with external systems. And how can we implement sensing? The integration of the sensor such as camera, lidar, ultrasonic sensors, and other technology to enable robots. Next, artificial intelligence and the machine learning. Utilize AI techniques and machine learning algorithms to enable robots to learn, adapt to changing conditions, and making intelligent decisions. Next, humanoid robots instructions. The humanoid robot instructions focused on designing interface and instructions method that allow humans to communicate with and control robots. Applications of the robots. The applications of the robots field applications in various industries: manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, logistics, space exploration, and entertainment. If you like our videos, please do subscribe our channel Things Engineers. Thanks for watching. We will meet our next videos.